The Content Tuner AB was designed to help you develop your brand story or campaign briefing. Start by adding your intended association on the right side of the screen. Load your campaign image and copy, and click on Generate to process your score. Select a different image to compare scores in the B version, and consider using different wording to better evoke the intended association. When clicking on a word in the text editor, the individual word scores reveal to what extent this word is contributing to your intended association. Words underlined in red evoke unintended mental associations. You may want to rewrite the sentences containing those words. Tune both copy and imagery and compare versions to ensure your final draft exceeds your quality assurance threshold score. The app helps ensure you evoke your intended brand associations. Your intended brand associations represent the values and passions you share with your customers. If they resonate with your audience and are evoked consistently by your brand content, they help differentiate your brand in your customer's mind. This unique frame of reference helps you justify premium pricing. Use Content Tuner to ensure your campaign messages sufficiently evoke your intended association. Aim for scores higher than 5 on the scale from 0 to 10. Use Content Tuner to tweak your copy and images to best evoke the intended association. Keep in mind that scores below 2.5 indicate no mental connection between your content and your intended association.